Information technology. Is this you? I am a techie. I am logical. I am creative. I like figuring out how something works. In the 21st century, computers, tablets, and mobile devices have become an essential part of our everyday lives. In order for technology to keep pace with our ever-changing world, professionals are needed to repair hardware, design websites, and develop apps. In the Information Technology program of study, you will learn cutting-edge skills in a growing field. Courses in this program focus on learning how to develop interactive media, such as advanced websites and apps, troubleshooting problems, and reconstructing computer systems. Students interested in business, marketing, or computer science will gain a foundational understanding of how these latest technologies are an essential part of business and industry.